Make a great choice today with the 2023 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.